Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making, I'm going to call them ribbon crimp dangles. And I have just a piece of cotton here that I have coffee dyed, and I'm just ripping it into some strips. So I've got lots of nice strings on there. And then I'm going to take a piece of lace and another piece of lace. I think I might even use two of those. Two will probably be enough. Let's look and see. Yeah, two's enough. Might be too much, but that's okay. So here's what I'm going to do. These little strips are about 10 inches. They can be any size you want them to be, but I'm just taking them and I'm folding them in half, and I'm going to hold that pretty tight up there at the top. And then I'm going to take a ribbon crimp. This is a ribbon crimp. I ordered these somewhere, probably Amazon, I'm not sure. And you're going to put that ribbon crimp on the end of that, and you can kind of smash it with your hand, just a little, just kind of a temporary fix. And then you're going to take a pair of flat nose pliers. They may have another name, and I'm not, you could use regular pliers or anything really strong, and you just squish that down really tight. And that ribbon crimp, see, it has little teeth on the inside of it, and those little teeth will grab onto whatever you're crimping. And then you can come back and you can trim it. And so it's a tassel of a sort. You might call it a tassel. And then what you're going to do with it, you can take a safety pin, you can take a paper clip, you can take anything you want. And since this one is kind of just cream and vintage, I'm going to go with this color. So this is a bulb pin, also known as a garment pin. And when I use these bulb pins, I like to put beads on them because it's pretty. And so I got this little stash of beads here, rocales. So like a large seed bead. And you can put as many or as few as you want on there. I've got this thing about 6. I don't know why, but I'm going cream and dark brown and cream. And I'm shooting it everywhere. Okay, here we go. Now, there it is. And that's all there is to it. It's just a little crimp. Now this, you can hook it onto the edge of a page. You could hook it onto the spine of your journal if you wanted to. You could add more. You could have less. Really doesn't matter. And if you don't like vintage color schemes, you can do it in any color you want to. So here's the same thing. I'm going to try to do it. I've got these little fibers everywhere from that sari silk. This is a little strip of sari silk, and I just love it. So I thought I might use it. And this is just some kind of fiber that I got in my stash, a crochet. And here's some more sari silk. Let's put that in there. So we've got these 4 colors. So again, I'm going to fold it in half. Try to get it roughly in the center if I can. Try to get all these. You know, I'm trying not to lose one of those pieces. So that's what I'm trying to do. And for this color, this turquoisey, I chose a silver ribbon crimp. And you can get these in different sizes. An even bigger one would probably be better, but I'm going to try this size. I'm just kind of temporarily closing that with my hands. It wanted to go crooked too. And then I'm going to squeeze it closed. And other side, squeeze it closed. Ta-da! And then just go in there and trim it wherever it needs to be. Give it a little haircut. And now for this one, I'd choose a bulb pin that maybe matches that, something a little bit different. What about that light blue? That'd be pretty. And then we could choose beads I got all kinds of turquoisey beads in here. So we can go with different shades of turquoise. Maybe that shade and maybe that shade and what? One more. How about one of these shiny guys? Shiny silver. And then we'll put this on. And then you could do 3 more beads, you know, any color, same group, or a different, you know, I'm kind of doing them opposite now. So it'll be symmetrical on each side, but I don't usually go symmetrical. But you can do anything. Close your little bulb pin. There we go. So simple. There's just a cute little tassel. How long did it take? 2 minutes? And it's not heavy, so you could actually attach it to a page. Now, if you use a paper clip, you could put a paper clip on here and you could just clip it onto your page. That'd be cute too. Or you can put an eyelet on your page and then hook your bulb pin through the eyelet to support it so it doesn't rip your page. So anyway, just another idea for you. Hope I've inspired you. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.